Hello, everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you want to fix the Google Play Store download pending issue on your device and you're looking out how to do so, we are going to give you out some solutions for that. So let's get started. You can start by restarting your device. So hold your power button for that and look out for the restart option on your screen and tap on it because doing so can resolve many temporary glitches. Or if that is not the issue, you can also check your internet connection. So you can access a quick settings panel or anything. And what you need to do is ensure that you have a very stable Wi-Fi or the mobile data connection. You can try switching between the Wi-Fi and then also restarting your router if and see if that fixes your issue. Also check your storage device. So for that you can go to my files and go over to internal storage or the analyze storage and there look out for the space. So insufficient storage can also prevent the downloads. You can just go over and check it out, and you can also delete the unnecessary files if needed. Apart from that, you can open up the Play Store, and from there you can go to the top to your profile and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can look out for manage apps and devices. And within here, you can look out for the pending download. So if there is any kind of update available, you can just go over and try pausing it and resuming it, and then try to access the application again. And that should also probably work for you. If that is not the case, you can clear the cache and data for the application itself. Hold the app and go to the info section at the top and select it. And then once you select it, you can scroll down, go to the storage section and tap on it. And within storage, look out for the clear cache and also clear the data if necessary. You should also do this for the Google Play services. And apart from that, you can just go over and check for your system updates. Go to your settings for that. And within your settings, you can scroll down and find software update and tap on it. And ensure that Android operating system is up to date by going over here and install if there is any. And that is it, everybody. Those are probably the solutions you can follow for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.